Today's topic for discussion is seed bank of food crop. Seed bank is developed by Department of Botany, Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women, Aurangabad. These are the bottles of different types of seeds which are labeled. Let us see the importance of the seed bank of food crop. A seed bank is useful to store seeds to preserve genetic diversity, hence it is a type of gene bank. There are many reasons to store seeds. One reason is to preserve the genes that plant breeders need to increase yield of the crop. Plant breeders wanted to develop new varieties of the crop plants which are disease resistant, which are drought resistant, even the quality of the crop should be better. This is the expectation of breeders. Seed banks are considered seed libraries. Seeds are living plants and keeping them viable over long term. Next. The department has been maintained the seeds of different types of crop, that is seeds of cereals, seeds of pulses, oil yielding seeds, vegetable seeds, fruit plant seeds, seeds of beverages and spice bank. Next. Let us see the characteristic features of the cereal crop. Cereal crop is cultivated for its seed as a human food. The cereals grown in Aurangabad district are wheat, maize, bajra and sorghum. All cereals are monocotyledonous plants. The fruit of cereals is called as caryopsis. Grains composed of endosperm and bran. The cereals are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, oils and protein. The starchy carbohydrates which are provided by cereals are essential in human nutrition. This is the cereal seeds of wheat. These are the photograph shown. These are the seeds of wheat and its botanical name is Triticum aestivum. Family of this plant is Poaceae. Next. This is the sorghum and botanical name is Sorghum bicolor. Family Poaceae. This is rice. Botanical name is Oryza sativa and family is Poaceae. This is bajra and its botanical name is Penicetum glaucum and family is Poaceae. These are the seeds of maize. Botanical name is Gia maize and family is Poaceae. And let us see the seeds of pulses. And let us see the characteristic features of pulses first. Pulses are high in protein, and the common pulses which occur in Marathwada, which are generally grown in Marathwada, they are pigeon pea, black gram, green gram, beans, etc. Pulses do not need much moisture and survive in dry conditions as well. They are leguminous crops and India is the largest producer as well as consumer of pulses. Let us see the seeds of pulses. This photograph, it is a pea. Botanical name is Pisum sativum. Family is Fabaceae. Next. These are the seeds of lentil. Botanical name is Lens culinaris. Family Fabaceae. These are the seeds of adzuki bean and its botanical name is Vigna angularis. Family is Fabaceae. These are the seeds of chickpea. Botanical name is Cicer arietinum. Family Fabaceae. These are the seeds of pigeon pea. Botanical name is Cajanus cajan and the family is Fabaceae. These are the seeds of green gram. Its botanical name is Vigna radiata. Family Fabaceae. And these are the seeds of coffea. Its botanical name is Vigna anguiculata. Next, let us see the seeds of oil yielding crop. And the characteristics features of oil yielding crop is oil seed crops have been grown all over the world and are considered important crops due to their economical value. Crops are primarily grown for edible oil. Let us see the seeds of oil yielding crop. These are the seeds of sesamum. Botanical name is Sesamum indicum and the family is Pedaliaceae. Next, these are black sesamum and Sesamum radiatum is the botanical name and family is Pedaliaceae. Next, these are the seeds of sunflower. Botanical name is Helianthus anus. Family is Asteraceae. Next, these are the seeds of, in Marathi it is called Karal and its botanical name is Gozotia abyssinica and family is Asteraceae. These are the seeds of groundnut and botanical name is Arachis hypogaea, family Fabaceae. Next, these are the seeds of safflower. Its botanical name is Carthamus tinctorius, Asteraceae family. These are the seeds of castor and castor oil is medicinally important. It is not a edible oil and its botanical name is Ricinus communis and family is Euphorbiaceae. Let us see about the seed bank of vegetable crop. These are the vegetable seeds. The seeds of bitter gourd, botanical name Momordica charantia, family Cucurbitaceae. These are the seeds of soft gourd and its botanical name Lupha aegyptiaca and family Cucurbitaceae. Next, these are the seeds of okra and botanical name is Abelmoschus esculentus, family Malvaceae. These are the seeds of fenugreek, that is methi, Trigonella foinum gracium. That is the botanical name and family is Fabaceae. Next, these are the seeds of bottle gourd. Its botanical name is Cucurbita pepo, family Cucurbitaceae. These are again the seeds of okra and these seeds are available in market. These are the seeds of curry, Murraya conigi, family Rutaceae. Next, bank of spices. Even the spices we have maintained. Spice is a seed or it may be a whole fruit or a part of the fruit or it may be a flower or a bark of the tree or bark of the plant or other plant material which is used for flavoring and making food tasty. Such plant material, it is known as spice and spices are medicinally very important. India is the largest home of spices in the world. Next, this is cardamom and family is Gingiveraceae. Next, these are black pepper, botanical name Piper nigrum, family Piperaceae. These are the seeds of saunf or botanical name is Foeniculum vulgare, family Apiaceae. Next, these are the seeds of coriander, botanical name Coriandrum sativum, family Apiaceae. These are the seeds of Nigella seeds or kalonji, it is called as kalonji. Botanical name is Nigella sativa, Ranunculaceae is the family. These are the cloves, botanical name Sagizium aromaticum, Myrtaceae family. These are Shepa, it is in English it is called a dill seeds and Anathum graveolens. Next, family is Apiaceae. These are the seeds of fennel and Foeniculum vulgaris, the botanical name, family Apiaceae. Next, let us see the seed bank of fruit crop. The purpose of seed storage is to maintain the seed in good physical and physiological condition from the time they are harvested until the time they are planted. Seeds have to be stored, of course, because there is usually a period of time between harvest and planting. These are the seeds of apricot. Botanical name is Plum Simonii, family Rosaceae. Next, these are the seeds of cherry. Botanical name is Prunus avium, family Rosaceae. Next, these are the seeds of sapota. Botanical name is Manilcara zapota, family Sapotaceae. Next, these are the seeds of watermelon. Botanical name Citrulus lanatus, family Cucurbitaceae. These are the seeds of date palm and Phoenix species. Next, these are the seeds of Annona squamosa, family Annonaceae. These are the seeds of apple Malus domestica, family Rosaceae. These are the again seeds of sapota. Next, these are the seeds of papaya. Botanical name is Carica papaya and family is Caricaceae. Next, these are the seeds of citrus. Citrus lemon is the botanical name. Family is Rutaceae. We have the seeds of beverages also. Beverages, it is a liquid drink intended for human consumption. This is an example of beverage, that is coffee. This is non-alcoholic beverage and its botanical name is Coffea arabica, family is Rubiaceae. This is all about the seed bank of Department of Botany, Dr. Rafiq Zakaria College for Women.